Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account securely. Once inside, navigate to the Linked Accounts or Payment Methods section. This is where you manage all your financial connections. Then, select the option to link a new payment method. This initial step is straightforward and sets the foundation for a smooth connection. Next, from the list of available payment methods, choose PayPal. You will then be securely redirected to the PayPal website. Here, you'll need to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to authorize Coinbase to access your PayPal account. This authorization is a crucial step to ensure a secure and functional link between the two platforms. Once you've authorized the connection on PayPal, you will be redirected back to Coinbase. Take a moment to review the details of the connection displayed on your screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the linking of your PayPal account. Your PayPal account will now appear as a successfully linked payment method within your Coinbase profile, ready for use in just a few moments. With your PayPal account successfully linked, you can now use it for various transactions on Coinbase. This includes buying or selling your favorite cryptocurrencies with ease. You can also withdraw funds from your Coinbase account directly to your PayPal, offering a convenient way to access your money. Remember to be aware of any associated transaction limits or fees, which are typically clearly outlined.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.